Hello friends, today I am going to show you a beautiful painting, acrylic painting on textured base canvas. This texture base how to make already I have shown you in my previous video, and now on this base I am going to use clay, molded clay for outlining of this image of Lord Ganesha, and after that I will color it with acrylic color. Now see how I am making this border design. First you use Fevicol, and after that with the thread of clay you can give the shape of just like a bale. Any design you can make it, that is on you. Here I am using simple design to show you so that you can make it easily. After completing your design, you have to let it dry, you have to leave this work for a few hours and then color it with acrylic colors. Just with the help of knife, I'm engraving on this clay, on these bells and even on the thread also. That is on you how you are making designs. Simple design. This is complete clay work done. Now I am using acrylic colors. So I am going to do from light to dark. First lemon yellow, orange and then crimson red I am using. And after that I have to merge all these colors. I am using bright colors to bring this painting vibrant. This combination of red, yellow and blue is coming out very beautiful. So friends, I hope you all like this video or this painting. If you like, please give your valuable comments also. I am eagerly waiting for this. And your suggestions are always welcomed. If you have any suggestion, please write. And what you want next, that also you can suggest. I mixed brown and blue, so it's looking very dark brown. A touch of brown only with red. Red with only brown. Border first I am doing with black. Afterwards I touch metallic color on this. Here is copper color. I am using copper touch. Copper color on this black. Now metallic touch came out. On this outlining of this clay, I am using white acrylic. Friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe it also. And don't forget to press bell icon. Bye bye. See you in my next video.